Right, hold on. Right. Would you believe it? I actually had this open early on and the camera, and I think I messed it up. Too low. Anyways, Kasp 120/60. Right. Opens. Okay. Good snap that, by the way. I like it. Keep it on now. Okay. What could we get open? And it's got no spools or nothing on it. Annoying me thing. Now I have to go to the back of this big long reachy thing in my bob. Oh, I'm glad I'll tell you what, I'm gonna go with that other one. Glad I didn't do that there. Well, that was really sticking me. I have to go to the back. There's a pin here at the very, very back, and I need to get it. I don't think that was it, but we'll try it anyway. And then you have to go down to the bottom, and then you've got this diamond thingamabob. Where's that at? Big large diamond thing. No, it's not the diamond thing. Where is the diamond? That thing. That's not the diamond. That's the diamond thing there. Right, now you have to go pin 1 back to pin 4. Let's see if I can open this here. Let's see, these things here open. Yep. I'm sorry you can't see this here. I'd nearly be safer showing it in my hand. And that way I can tilt at a bit of an angle for you, but it is what it is. You're just gonna have to take my word for it. Why is this not opening for it? Normally when you go from like pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, and hey presto, it opens. I hate when locks don't play ball in the camera. Get! It's a bit low, yes, though. When you're on camera, do the role that you're intended to do. There you go. See? That's the role you're meant to do. Right. Okay, that's it open now with SPP'ed. That's the role you were supposed to do. I bet you I'm not recording this. Right, what am I supposed to do here now? Yes, rake it. Where's the raked thingamabob at? Go down to the bottom, I think. You're supposed to hit the number 2 at the back. If I don't rake it, I don't care. I got the SPP'ed. Now, to be fair, Lock Noob said that there's no I don't know why security pins or what, but he said something about them. But I got it at the SPP, so, and I done that pretty quickly, so if I don't rock this open, and this is supposed to be the easiest part, that's the best thing about it. You're supposed to, there you go. Yay! I got that open in 5 minutes. So there you go. SPP'd and raked. That's my first time of doing that there in the video. So right, I'm gonna cut this short so everybody can have a cup of tea or a cup of coffee if you're in America. Right, everybody, thank you very much. And I think that's gonna be video number 51 or 91. So I'm well ahead of myself here. Take care of yourselves, and I will talk to you later. Take care. Bye.